Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic door handle, only ways. Start by lowering the glass and removing the door panel screws and clips so you can access the inner cavity. Disconnect the electrical connector if equipped, then detach the latch rods and unbolt the handle assembly. Swap in the new handle, reconnect rods and connectors, test the latch action, and reattach the panel carefully for a secure finish. Begin by locating and removing all visible screws from the armrest, door pull, and lower edge of the panel. Use a trim tool to gently release the plastic clips around the perimeter, working from the bottom up to avoid cracking the panel. Once loose, lift the panel up and off the door, watching for electrical connectors and cable ties, then disconnect any wiring and set the panel safely aside on a soft surface to prevent damage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more hands-on car repair content. Quick recommendation. I love this money book, The Simple Path to Wealth, which surprisingly pairs well with DIY savings, helping you fund projects and avoid costly repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it if you'd like, and now let's get back to the video. With the panel removed, locate the handle mounting bolts and remove them with a socket or wrench. Carefully unhook the latch linkage clips and note their positions for reassembly, then remove the old handle assembly through the access opening. Feed the new handle into place, secure the bolts evenly, reattach the linkage and clips, and cycle the mechanism several times to ensure smooth operation before proceeding to reinstall the door panel and fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.